Joel Embiid, the star player for the Philadelphia 76ers, continues to impress with his outstanding performance on the court. Despite battling an ankle injury, Embiid pushed through to extend his remarkable streak of recording at least 30 points and 10 rebounds in a game to 13 consecutive games. Embiid's incredible achievement has now surpassed the previous record set by legendary Kareem Abdul-Jabbar, who accomplished a 30-10 streak for 16 straight games during the 1971-1972 NBA season. This puts Embiid in the spotlight as he solidifies his place among the greats in basketball history. In the recent game against an opponent, despite experiencing discomfort due to his ankle injury, Embiid displayed incredible resilience and determination. He contributed a hefty 31 points to the 76ers scoreboard and successfully grabbed 10 rebounds. This stellar performance played a crucial role in his team's victory over their challengers, with the final score ending 121-111 in favor of the Philadelphia 76ers. Embiid's achievements have garnered attention not only for their statistical significance, but also for the mental and physical fortitude he demonstrates on the court. It is no easy feat to play at such a high level while dealing with an injury, and Embiid's commitment to his team and the game is truly admirable. As the news of Embiid's 30-10 streak spreads, fans and critics alike are hailing his accomplishments, recognizing his impact on the Philadelphia 76ers' success during this remarkable stretch of games. It is clear that Embiid's exceptional skills and his ability to dominate the game make him a force to be reckoned with in the NBA. With each game, Embiid's streak grows more impressive, and fans eagerly await his future performances as he continues to defy expectations and overcome challenges. It is evident that Joel Embiid has solidified his position as one of the league's most dominant players. His contributions to the Philadelphia 76ers and his record-setting achievements will undoubtedly be remembered in the annals of basketball history.